have to learn certain important terms in this connection. What is a repressor? Repressor is a regulatory protein involved in regulation of gene expression. It is the regulatory protein which acts negatively and does not allow RNA polymerase to transcribe the structural genes. Regulatory proteins are of two types. Repressor is one of them. It is involved in the regulation of gene expression. Repressor is the protein which acts negatively and does not allow the enzyme RNA polymerase to transcribe the structural genes into messenger RNA. As a result, polypeptides are not formed. RNA polymerase transcribes DNA into RNA and then RNA is translated into proteins. Repressor protein does not allow RNA polymerase to transcribe the structural genes, that means DNA, and does not allow synthesis of polypeptides. This is called negative regulation. Activator. It is another regulatory protein involved in regulation of gene expression. It acts positively. It promotes, it allows the enzyme RNA polymerase to transcribe the structural genes, that is DNA, into messenger RNA and promotes the formation of enzymes. This is called positive regulation. Activator allows transcription of structural genes and then translation of specific enzymes. This is called positive regulation. Regulatory gene, represented by small I. It is the gene or it is the base sequence or segment of DNA which regulates expression of structural genes. Structural genes are only transcribed into messenger RNA. So gene I regulates expression of structural genes. It is the structural gene are expressed into mRNA and then translated into polypeptides. Regulatory gene I, it is a gene. It is a different kind of gene. It is transcribed into messenger RNA and this messenger RNA is translated into regulatory proteins, repressor or activator. The regulatory gene small I, it is not the structural gene. It is the gene which is transcribed into messenger RNA which is translated into regulatory proteins. That means repressor or activator. So regulatory gene is transcribed into messenger RNA which is translated into regulatory proteins, repressor or activator. Regulatory gene regulates the expression of structural genes for the synthesis of enzymes required by the cell for specific functions. Gene I produces repressor or activator. Now, operator gene. It is the specific sequence of DNA which lies very close. It lies adjacent to promoter and interacts with the regulatory proteins, usually the repressor, to regulate the accessibility of the promoter region and thus expression of structural genes. The operator gene, please remember this is a gene or sequence of DNA which is located just adjacent to promoter and it regulates it allows expression of structural genes. The operator gene always lies adjacent to promoter gene, and it interacts with either repressor or activator. Operator gene interacts with either repressor or activator, and it either allows or obstructs expression of structural genes. It is a gene which lies adjacent to promoter gene. It interacts with regulatory proteins. It either promotes or stops expression of structural genes. Then you have to learn what is operon.